Hey everyone, welcome back to my 100 Things project. I bought some stencils from the junk journal shop, and I bought some bags from Hobby Lobby because they were on clearance at 2 packs for $5. But I don't know if you know, Hobby Lobby has a hidden clearance as well as Walmart does. So you need to scan the price on the barcode on them. Just like, let's say if you go to Walmart and something's on clearance and it's marked $5 on clearance, get the Walmart app, put it on your phone, and always scan it, because it may say $5, but when you get to the register, it's going to be anywhere from $3 to $1. I mean, you just never know. So yeah, check those out always. But anyway, I scanned these at Hobby Lobby last time we were there, which has been about a year ago, and I bought a load of these bags. I mean, a lot of them, because whether we're at a Saturday market, or I sell something on YouTube, or I need extra packing on the eBay, if I put them into bags that are marked with the eBay store name, wherever we're selling from is advertising. So, you know, somebody may buy something from me at a Saturday market, and then they'll see this, and they'll go on eBay and look for our store, which is actually Grandpa's Attic clearance on eBay, because that's where I'm listing most everything now, is in Grandpa's Attic clearance. So that's where the good deals are anyway. So this is number 6. Number 7, I finished a little journal. Put a little tassel on it with just some scrap yarn I had, a closure with a little scrap ribbon, and I used mostly, this is chipboard, not chipboard, a bookboard, and I stamped the word journal on a label and put it on the front. And then this is the Tim Holtz paper, still using that same bed. But I took all of my scraps and made just little filler journal pages to put in here. Some wrapping paper that was left over from packing up stuff. Here's one of the bags left over from the paper I purchased from Amy. And just, you know, made a little journal out of it. It'll fit right down in the purse. And I call these pocket journals, because you can take it everywhere with you. If you want to write down your gas and your mileage, one of these is perfect size to fit in your console or glove compartment or wherever you want to put it, and just have it with you always to keep track of something. So yeah, I made this as number 7. Number 8 is a biggie. Number 8, I used scraps mostly, but I did use up some pages too. So I did some little stuff that I can actually use in the journals, and just, you know, use scraps, fold them up. You guys know how much I love making these little booklets, so just, you know, used up stuff to do there. This is just another little scrap that I can use. Made a little making trifolds out of most of them. This is just a little trifold booklet that opens up, and then I put a dangle altered paper clip on them. So this is going in my grandma's kitchen one because it has a spoon on it. I made some little envelopes, and a lot of little envelopes actually. This goes inside that envelope. It's a note card. Some more of the little trifolds with some altered clothespins, paper clips. That's another one for the grandma's kitchen I had made, and this will go in grandma's kitchen because it has a key on it. So part 1 of number 8. Now we're going to count this as number 8. Come on. let's be fair here. I'm going to leave these out because I'm going to be using those. My next 100 Things video will be working on Grandma's attic and Grandma's kitchen. Okay, I'll make these two 9. So number 9, made belly bands to put in journals. I made some pockets and tags. Just stuck, rounded the corners on some scrap papers, and I actually put a pocket on the back of this one as well. Just put another card in it. This is just a pocket that I can keep. Notice this isn't filled yet. This is the pocket in the front, and this is a tuck here. So I haven't filled this one yet. Forget my voice, I am sick. Here's another one. It's just a pocket in the front and a little tuck spot in the back. So these two will be 8. Right? Am I on 8? I don't know. Okay. So that's 8. Number 9. I just do it all. Number 9. I did, this is going to be a flip that I put on a journal page. These are bases for hidden paper clips. I've just made the hidden paper clips, put them on a card, and as I go to use them, I will decorate them for the theme I'm working on. And this is all still with Tim Holtz Industrial. Here's some more, just little trifold note cards that I can stick in journals. I just use some scraps and stamp the words journal on them, and then as I need them, I'll just cut them out and put them on the journals. And here I have another envelope with a little note card in it. Actually, I think I have 2. Actually, I have 3. So it's just an envelope. That flap will fold down. There's the note card. So I made 3 of those. Rounded the corners to make some tags. This was one of the pictures. I had cut part of it off, so I just rounded the corners and made a tag. Scraps, some of the cards that come in Tim Holtz ephemera. I just rounded the corners to make tags. This is a scrap. I just rounded the corners. Same. Here's some more scraps, and here's 2 of the ones that I had already cut out for the where I stamped journal. This is the Tim Holtz Industrial cardstock. And I just rounded corners, did the same with this picture. I just made it into a journaling card. This could probably be a tag, or a belly band, or a journaling card. It could be any of the 3. And this is all the ephemera. This is another scrap piece. I just turned it into something I could use. These I'm not sure yet, because I can fold them in half and make a little note card, or I could put lines on them, what you call score them, and make them into mini journals. So these I'm not sure yet. I just cut them in 2 pieces so that when I'm ready to and need them, I can decide then what I want to make out of them. And this is the Tim Holtz Industrial had these alphabets, and I just rounded the corners and rounded the centers, and these will be journaling cards, I'm sure. I did do a few clusters. This is actually a hidden altered paper, not a hidden, this is an altered paper clip. Belly band. These are hidden paper clips, and I just put them on this card. but I decorate both sides of them, and I need to come back and glue that down a little better because it's been shoved in the bag with all this stuff. And just another card, scrap. I rounded the corners, and these are just scrap pieces from the industrial pack, and I just rounded the corners to turn them into journaling cards, or whatever it could be. This could be a hidden tuck spot, and stick this in here. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with them. Or I could make it like this and have this as a tuck spot and this as a pocket. So I just prepared stuff and have stuff ready. I think this is the only thing that's finished, honestly, in this. But the rest is just, so that I have it made up, and as I need it, I can just go in and get it and decorate it. And I'm going to take that out so I can fix that lace. It's going to save me a whole lot of time when I go to do the actual journals, because I put these in file folders and mark them vintage, or so whatever I'm going to be working on, I can look and say, okay, everything in this folder is vintage, let me pull this out, or everything in this folder is floral, or whatever. That way everything's together, nice, neat, orderly, and ready to go. What I do is the ones that I go ahead and decorate, I set them to the front of the file folder, and 9 times out of 10 I might get lucky, but I usually don't, that whatever's in there will go with the theme that I'm working on. I hardly ever get lucky, let's put it that way. So most of the time I end up, when I get the file folder start getting real wide and gappy, I'll start pulling the stuff that's pre-decorated that I haven't used and make Happy Meals out of them and just send them to other people, and hopefully they can use them. If not, they can stick them in a file folder, and when their file folder gets alligator mouth and they can't use it, send Happy Mail. I really don't care if you resend what I send you, because we all end up with way too much stuff, because I still have half of this pack of paper to go. So yeah, one pack of cardstock. Who knew it was going to make a million things? So this is 6 through, what did I say, 9? I think so, 6 through 9. I'm going to hit that 100. You watch and see. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.